Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. I am Sim Marie. So the video that we will watch today is a previously recorded video, but I wanted to bring it back one more time so that you guys can watch it and also try it out for yourself. I went to Google. I typed in YouTube advertising. So I scroll down, I click promote your videos. It'll take you to a page like this, and when you're first starting out, it says we'll give you $500 when you pay $500, but we're gonna go on down to start advertising. You need to select a Google Ads account that you want to use. It'll take you to a screen like this, and you can select tools, and then it'll take you down to linked accounts, and all of your Google Ads accounts that you have under your name and on your phone or on your computer will pop up, and you choose the one that you want to put the ads on. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. And then it'll take you over to this page right here. It says link a YouTube channel. So you could type in your YouTube channel, put your URL in, and your YouTube channel should pop up. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this stuff really works. Really works. So yeah, like I said, put your YouTube channel in. Once you put it in, it'll find it, click it, boom. Then you'll go over to campaigns at the top, and you'll go down to new campaign. You'll click that, and then they'll take you to the next step that you need. Guys, it doesn't really take much to do these campaigns, and I'm telling you, it's very well worth it. And then right here, you'll pick what you want to do, what type of things you want to do. This advertisement is for everyone. You can do sales, you can do anything you want to do, but you want to pick the one that goes with YouTube. And I'm looking here, you probably would need to create a new campaign without any guidance, because we're trying to make sure that we get our YouTube video in an ad form. But as you can see, if you have a business, you can also put your business on here, put ads to your business on here, whatever you want to do. But today we're sticking with how to get your YouTube videos as an ad. And then it'll say here, select the campaign type, display or video. Of course, we want to do video. Reach and engage with the viewers on YouTube and across the web. You want to pick that one because we're trying to get our video put in front of a wide audience. Display is okay too. I mean, it'll be like on the side up there, but we want video. We're going with video. Okay, so as you can see here, you put your budget information in. Guys, you really only have to put $5. You don't have to go put a whole bunch of money down. You can put $5, okay? And it's also safe, because not throwing shade or anything, but sometimes people buy views, which I don't think personally is wrong, but people buy views to help their channels look good. But you get your channel taken down that way. This way is safe, it's through YouTube, and if you're spending money to buy views, you could spend money to do this, which is better, safer, and it's YouTube approved. So put the amount that you want. It could be as small as $5, and then that'll be great. Here you'll select your language that you want, which will be English, your location, United States. Now I want to speak a little bit more about the budget. So you can put $5 a day for a month, and your channel will grow. You'll get subscribers, you'll get likes, you'll get views. And guys, also people also share these videos. If your video is nice, they love what they hear and see, they actually share your video, and YouTube shows us how many times we've been shared now. So right here is your demographics. You'll put who you want to see it, if you want everyone to see it, females or just males, and the age range that you're looking for. And that's a good thing, because you don't want your video, if you don't specify where you want your video to go and what audience you want your video to be in front of, it'll go in front of the wrong people, and you may feel like you're wasting your money. Like if you're doing something with the age group around 25 to whatever, you need to make sure you put that in there. That helps YouTube know where to put your ad in front of people who you want it to go in front of. And this area here is another great thing. You can put your custom audience. Say you're doing a video on hair. You can put hair or just beauty period, hair, makeup, lashes. Put your tags in there. Tags really help. Tags really work. Make sure you fill that section out. Put everything that you need where you want your video to reach the most. And then here, once you put how much money that you want to spend for the month, for the week, for the day, it'll let you know. It says here, based on your campaign budget of $20, you will get between 110 views and 500 views. It tells you your impressions. It tells the average CPV that you will be spending for that time frame, and it also tells you how many people that your video can get in front of. So $20 can get you in front of 2.5 million people. That's a lot of people if you tweak and put the demographics the right way. Okay, so right here is the different ad formats. You have display ads, you have overlay ads, you have skippable video ads. You choose what you think is best for you. As you can see, the placement says when you have the display ads, appears to the right of the featured video and above the video suggestion list. For larger players, this ad may appear below this player. So as you can see here, this is where your ad will be located, on the side at the top. You know how we see ads up at the top a little bit? Yeah, it'll be somewhere up there. And then on your overlay ads, it says semi-transparent overlay ads that appear on the lower 20% portion of your video. Which, you know how sometimes when you're looking at the videos, like a little ad down there. I know we don't really pay attention, guys, but it's down there, and you know it's for us to see or whatever. So then you have your non-skippable ads, your bumper ads, and your sponsor cards. Okay, so non-skippable ads, of course, is when you cannot skip. And I like those because if I'm going to pay for something, I want them to not be able to skip over me. Don't skip me. But yeah, so you can put, your ad can be on an ad that's non-skippable. And then bumper ads, non-skippable video ads for up to 6 seconds. You know, the ones that you can't move until after so many seconds. Those are also great to have. And then sponsor cards, they display content that may be relevant in the video, which is good as well. Like I said, if you're doing a video on makeup or hair or beauty period, they'll put your video by videos that are like that. And if your thumbnail is popping, y'all know I believe in a good thumbnail. If your thumbnail is popping flavor, it's gonna look good over there on the side. So I don't know if y'all are excited, but I am super duper excited because we work really hard on our channels. Most of us are small content creators. We're just starting out, and we tend to get discouraged sometimes because we're working just as hard or even more than the high ones. But as we know, everything comes with time, everything comes with the season, and it's our season. I'm taking this as it's our season. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Let me say this really quick. The watch time hours that you receive from the Google ads will not count towards your monetization hours, but it will bring subscribers to watch your other content, which will indeed add up to your 4,000 watch time hours. So if you're still willing to participate, you can start off with as small as $5 and see how that works for you. Like I said, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.